with WTI and I'm excited to do a deep clean on my dryer vent. This is something that I wanted to do but finally have got the perfect kit for it. This is the Sealegend 2-piece dryer vent cleaner kit. This comes with a vacuum hose attachment and also a brush lint remover. And let me tell you, I was blown away by how much lint I was able to get out of my dryer. And these tools worked amazing. I just kept on getting piece after piece. Tons of lint would come out. I was amazed at how much has been impacted in there, and the brush works so well of helping to dislodge stuff that's hard, that's been in there for a while, and the vacuum really helped to really suck it up. The adapter was really well designed. It worked really simply with my stick vacuum and the crevice tool attached, and then I simply attached the adapter. I was so happy with the results. This is how much I got out with these two tools. I was stunned of how much, but I feel so good about being able to say my dryer vent is now clean. Look at that, nice and cleaned out, no more lint. This kit is amazing and I highly recommend. And that's my point of view.